Afternoon, everyone. It's Uncle Bill O'Gorman here at the Royal Nissan and Subaru store on Route 281 in Cortland. And of course, don't forget we are a Subaru Express service dealer. No appointment necessary for some oil changes and light stuff. You just drive right into that service bay and they'll take care of you. Now today, I want to visit on the Subaru brand. And of course, we have a tremendous selection of pre-owned Subarus. And we have a really good selection right now of the Subaru Outback, the Subaru Forester, and the all-new Subaru Ascent. And if you're not able to get down to the dealership, but you'd like to see these vehicles, give me a call, reach out to me on Facebook, and we can pull one out and we can do a full vehicle walk around for you. And of course, we not just have Subarus, folks, you know, we have the all-new Nissan brands as well. And we're talking Nissan, we're talking cars and trucks and SUVs and some really beautiful styles and some fresh changes. And we've got here right in Cortland a tremendous selection that gives you the differences in options, packages, and price ranges. Beautiful sunset tonight. Just take a look. And if there's something here that you'd like to see, just reach out to me, Uncle Bill O'Gorman, and say, hey, can you take that out? Or I'm looking for this. Do you have one? Let me know what you're trying to accomplish. I'll even take a look at your trade-in. Just send me some photos, some information, and together we can figure out what's going to be the right vehicle for you, whether it's to buy or to lease. And of course, we have our certified Subarus. We have our certified Nissans. But we also have a great selection of pre-loved vehicles here. A lot of folks trading in other brands to try ours. We have select financing available. We have lenders on standby. We even have independent appraisers working to help us find the best value for your trade-in. The lenders with the programs, 0% is a starting point. No payments until 2020. Just reach out to me, Uncle Bill O'Gorman, here at the Royal Subaru, Royal Nissan store on Route 281. With lender approval, we can make a lot of things happen. So again, if you see something you like, you'd like more information, just reach out to me here. Call me direct at 607-543-1215, and we can help make it easy to put one of our hundreds of pre-owned and new vehicles in your garage. I'm Uncle Bill O'Gorman for the Royal Nissan Royal Subaru store, Route 281 Cortland. Reach out today.